The heck? Oh, there we go. Hey, kia ora, Helen Brahms here, coming to you live from Sun City in Arizona. Hope you're all having a super fantastic, sparkling Serenity Sundays. I almost forgot what day I was on. We just got back from our evening walk. And Zeffie decided that she couldn't wait another hour to go for her walk, so we went a little earlier than normal, which is probably just as well because it's almost dark outside. So I hope you're all having a super fantastic, sparkling Serenity Sunday. What did you do today to relax, recharge, refresh, and rejuvenate? So we had a great day. Like, it started off with our walk, then we got to talk with the grandkids, then we went for our mystery drive, and because it was raining, we didn't get to go to the dog park. And so we ended up doing this like big long hour-and-a-half drive around somewhere. I don't even know where I was. Do you know where we were, Zeph? Hey, I hope you're going to pick up all that food. Keep picking it up. Keep eating it. Okay. She's got a mouthful of food and she just dumped it on the carpet, which means that she'll be picking up the bits that she likes and leaving behind the bits that she doesn't like. So after our drive, we came home, we did the live, and then I went and got the laundry done. That was good to get all that done. I seem to be doing laundry like once a month right now. Trying to make it like once a week or once every other week, but yeah, this was a once a month one, so there was a lot to do. And but got it all done, all dried. And then when I got back, I went into the bedroom and made myself a nice little backrest to lean up against. We got a TV in the bedroom, so I put that on with a movie and sat there and started folding laundry to be put away. Like all my t-shirts, when I do my t-shirts in the laundry room, I just lay them all one on top of the other. So when I get back, and then fold them in half and slide them into the laundry bag. And when I get back, I just slide them out of the laundry bag, open it up, and then I can sit there and fold them, so I can get them to the right size get them into the right size to go into the drawers. And then of course there's the lingerie to do, and the towels I'd already folded those, so I just had to put those away. But so I just got to sit there, watch a movie while we did that. Wasn't much of a movie. It was okay. Got one laundry bag done, complete. So I've got the second laundry bag sitting there to do probably this evening, because I don't want to leave the stuff sitting as it is, because it'll end up getting rumpled and stuff. But yeah, so it was good to get that done. I also got some project work done. I got some outlines written out, which was good. It's all handwritten out. I now just got to put it into an electronic format that the people who are helping me do a setup can have a look at, so they can see what the overall business flow is for me. I've got something stuck. That's something on my tongue, but there's nothing there. And so I got that part done, which was cool. That didn't take me that didn't take me long to do. And I had another project that I've been kind of putting off while I got the subject lines written for those. And I thought, well, I can use them in this project as well. So dual purpose, Why just put it in one place when you can slightly change it and it becomes multifunctional? Yes, leveraging. Just work once and use it multiple times. I like that one. It's been raining most of the day here, which has been awesome. It's like 72 outside, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm loving this. It was very humid though. It was very humid. Might have been 72, but it was humid outside. We just got back from walking. I feel all hot and sticky and right now, but I have to keep this short because I've got the water tank filling up. Although in about 10 minutes I'll go check it and it'll probably be about half full. So I'll let it go for another 15, 20 minutes to fill it up. So it's been just a really nice, quiet day, doing a little bit here, a little bit there, relaxing in between. Because I would come back from the laundry and I'd have like 30 to 40 minutes between each one to go back and switch things over and everything else. And so I just come back, put my feet up, relax, do the little jigsaw puzzles that's on Brad's iPad, and then the time would go off, so it'd be time to go back again. And I had Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Rings playing in the background for Zeffie when I'm out of here, so it's just noise for her. So I had that playing along, and we probably got about halfway through the movie because we're watching the extended version, which is like 4 hours long, or not far off 4 hours. So we got about halfway through that. So, but it's just been a great day. How has your day been? What did you get up to today? What did you do to relax, refresh, recharge, rejuvenate, get ready for the week ahead? We're already ready for the week ahead. I had actually last week, when I sat down with my planner, I actually did last week's planning stuff and then this coming week's planning stuff. And so all I had to do was just go in and update any appointments that had changed and things like that. So that was pretty cool to do that. So, yeah, I felt like I was ahead of myself today. I was like, yay. But right now, it's time to go and kick back, relax for the evening and enjoy. I still have a second bag of laundry, so I'll probably put another movie on and get that knocked out before the movie ends. Which is what we did with the other one. Then we just kind of like snuggled down. And Zeffie was laying next to me, so I was just petting her while she's laid there. And I just sort of like snuggled down and almost fell asleep until she decided that I want to go for my walk and I want to go nap. So, yes, no chance to get a nap. So, but that's okay. That's okay. We're ready for the week ahead because it's going to be a crazy week. I forgot to do shopping this morning. I forgot to get my grocery store done. I'll do that tomorrow. Get that done tomorrow morning. So I'll make the list tonight and get it done for tomorrow morning. Those actually look really cool. Been doodling in the margins of my notebook and I'm looking at them and going, they look really cool. Yeah, sometimes I look at my doodles again, sometimes I don't, but I'm looking at this one. It's like, yeah, I had no idea what was on my mind when I was doodling those or what was being said, but they're pretty cool pictures. I don't know if I can get them up here because, like I said, they're in the middle of my notes. Let's see if we can do it this way. Can't rip the page out because it's part of my thing here. And I really don't want people seeing my notes, so I don't know. Let's see, what else have I got up here I can use? Let's do this. Will that work? Probably. Yeah, kind of, sort of, but these were my these are my doodles from yesterday. So we'll just be doodling in the margins. People don't believe I doodle in my margins, but I do. See, those are the two I drew yesterday. Not bad, actually. I was looking at them going, they actually look pretty good. So sometimes it's just shapes and stuff, and other times it kind of looks not bad. Makes me want to go draw some more. Anyway, I'm out of here. I got to go check my water tank, see how that's doing, but go have a super fantastic sparkling rest of your Serenity Sunday. Enjoy it, relax. Make sure you're ready for the week ahead. Like I said, the only thing I forgot to do today was grocery shopping, so that'll be on the agenda for first thing in the morning. As soon as my wake-up call is done, I'll have the list ready. It's just a matter of entering it in and picking the time for it to be delivered. So I might even actually do that tonight, pre-deliver it. So have it put the order in tonight so that and then tell them to deliver it between certain times. And I know I've got an Amazon order actually coming here tomorrow rather than being delivered to my mail place. So it's only because it's stuff I couldn't wait till the end of the week that I needed. So yeah, I need that. But anyway, go have a super fantastic sparkling evening. We'll catch you guys back tomorrow morning for Magic Monday. Hey, konara.